Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So few of you guys actually requested me to do a video on how to do facial at home using the Biotique facial kit that I showed in one of my previous videos. So the kit looks something like this, and this one in particular is an anti-tan variant. So if you don't really know how to do facial and if you are a beginner, you don't have to worry at all. You have a manual as well. So I'm going to start up by washing my face, and to wash my face I'm using this Bioneem purifying face wash from Biotique. You can use whatever face wash you like. Now this one is particularly good for acne prone oily skin. Once after washing, I'm taking a washcloth or any kind of a cloth, face cloth, just dipping this in some warm water, squeezing all the excess water out, and I'm just kind of rubbing my face with this towel. Now this towel is extremely soft and I'm just doing it in a very gentle way, so I'm not being very harsh with my skin. Make sure you don't handle your skin harsh. So next, this one is available in the kit. This is a scrub. Now Biotique scrubs are to die for. You can definitely try them out. The granules are very gentle and it does not leave your skin dry at all. Now the skin is not completely dry now. It has tiny bit of water thing on the top, it's wet. So I'm just using the scrub all over my face and I'm scrubbing my face. So I'm also dipping my fingers in some water and making sure that the scrub is kind of wet and manageable at the same time. I'm just concentrating this on the neck and around my mouth and nose, where I tend to have more dead skin and whiteheads. So you don't really have to be very harsh in this step. You just need to be soft and gentle because the granules in the scrub itself is very good and it does the job what a scrub actually wants to do in a pretty well way. So once after that, I'm taking all the product off my skin using the same damp washcloth. Next is that massaging cream. Now you actually have two massage products in the kit. One is a cream and one is a gel. You can use whatever you want. You can switch the products as per your requirement. If you have dry skin, you can use the cream, and if you have oily skin, you can use the gel. Now cream actually penetrates well into your skin when you actually massage than the gel, but I prefer using gel because I don't want to feel very heavy. So I'm just using gel, and now the massaging techniques are really very important and you have to take some time. You can be very slow, you have to take your time, just sit back, relax and do it to yourself. Just listen to some of your favorite music and so that you don't get bored. So the most important few things that I basically do while massaging is this particular step, where I kind of rub my hands over the neck in upward direction. Now this one helps to uplift your face, and the next one is that I apply a little bit of gel or any massage product on my knuckles, and I kind of do this thing. Now this thing what actually does is it just enhances your natural contour of your face. It just kind of hides away the contour parts of your face which you actually want to contour. I don't really know how to say this, but if you do this, you have this well-defined cheekbones and cheeks. You just kind of uplifting your cheeks. So once after that, you can use your fingertips to massage around your eyes. Also, you can just press on the pressure points. Now this feels very, very relaxing. Just be very slow, soft, gentle, and enjoy doing this. So once after that, it just should take 5 to 10 minutes massaging, and then you'll just wash it off the product. And once after this, you can directly go with a face mask, or at this point you can just steam your face with some hot water. Now steaming also gives a very, very beautiful refreshing effect. If you don't have time, you can directly go with the face pack. Now this particular face pack is also there in the kit, and this one is their bio whitening detan fruit pack. You also have a big size of this fruit face pack actually, so you can just separately get it as well. So this one actually refreshes your skin, but I don't really like the smell of this product. So once after 10 minutes, this will get completely dried off and you can just wash this off in running water. Once after that, I will just tone my face. Now this whole process I'll be doing at night times because my skin just takes some time to regenerate and repair itself. And once after doing all these steps and the products and everything, at night time you just get a lot of time for the skin to get repair itself. So once after that, I'm using this spot correcting cream. Now this one is a free product in the kit. The toner is not in the kit, I have it separately. So now this spot correcting cream is in the kit, and you can just spot correct your blemishes, pimples likewise. So after some time it just gets absorbed into your skin. So next is this serum thing. Again, the serum is not in the kit, I'm just having it separately, and this is like my go-to favorite serum. I apply this on the rest of my face. I don't want to dry out my face completely. Once after all the face mask, I have to lock in some moisture thing in my skin. So after that, I'm using my under eye cream, which is like most used under eye cream in my life. So, and finally I'm just going to apply some lip balm. Now this one is meant for whitening your lips, but it does not do lighten your lip, but it moisturizes well. So that's it guys, I hope you all like this and find this useful. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.